everybody, hello and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have the models from 2021 case A. Yes it is, so I'm so excited as you can see in front of you. Yep, but first a short preview of the Hot Wheels Premium. Yep, first off we have just a picture. We have the Fast and Furious Premium Euro Fast. Yes it is, look at that. We've got the Aston Martin DB5, McLaren 720S, Lamborghini Aventador Coupe or Coupe, and two BMWs, BMW M3 E36 and BMW M3 E46. Yes it is. Now that looks fantastic, looks awesome. Yep, nice. And also we have the new Car Culture Premium, which will be for the 2021, which is the British horsepower. We've got the McLaren F1 GTR, nice. The Jaguar Lightweight E-Type, Morris Mini, Lotus Esprit S1, and the Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop. Wow, two premium sets. It's the European invasion. Nice, awesome. Ooh, I can't wait to get my hands on these. Hopefully soon. Yep. So back to our regular schedule, which is the kasiloose. First off, we've got the 2019 Audi R8 Spider. Yep. So this is from the previous Q case, the red Audi R8 Spider, kasiloose, definitely. Let's focus out a bit. Yep, look at that. Now that is beautiful. The recolor of the R8 Spider, now in red. The awesome headlights there, stock colored tail lights, wonderful interior. Yep, nice. Look at that, this looks awesome. Yes it is. Next we're going for this guy here. Oh, beep. Let's just spin it up. It's the 70 Dodge Power Wagon, a recolor. Oh wow. This is new for 2020, new for case A. Nice Dodge Power. Okay, they're going to run away. Is it? Maybe I put it a bit like this. There you go. Focus out a bit. Nice. With dirt colored wheels there. The Dodge Power Wagon. Yellow mustard, Goodyear Dodge. Nothing on the top, just on the sides. Yes it is. Give it a spin. For those who like the Power Wagon. Is it Power Wagon? Yep, the Power Wagon. Next we're going for this one, new to case A, the Hyperfin in blue. In the cartoon, I think it's sort of like red or orange, but in the main line we have the blue version. Yes it is. There you go. The Hyperfin in blue with a light blue accent there. which is nice. It's not a new casting. Actually, it's in the Fast and Furious animation theme cut. You've seen this, but it's everything in the main line, the case A, like that. Nice wheel there. In case you're wondering what these pieces are, it's actually a sort of like a moving parts, but not in the main line. Main line is stuck there. It's not going to move anything. I think it's going to spread it out a bit. In the Fast and Furious theme assortment, the animation, yep, look at that. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Yep, the Hyperfin. So we have the Astana Hoto, the Eon Treasure, now the Hyperfin, meaning one of the cars, the off-road one. Next, we're going for the Toyota off-road truck. Yeah, it's been a long time we've seen this guy before. Last one is the Falcon liveries, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, look at that. Toyota off-road truck. Fully equipped. Dirt colored wheels. Orange. Focus up a bit. Clone, J-Leo, HW Graphics, One, Holly Equipped, Orange. Nice. Of course, no headlights and tail lights. Toyota off-road truck. Awesome. The returning of the Triumph TR6 in green for the case A. Triumph. How do you actually pronounce it? In green. Is it more emerald green there? 54 LC Hot Wheels. Awesome. Look at that. Look at the detail there. Nice. For those who like the Triumph. Not the woman's underwear brand, but it's a car. Look at that. Yep. Look at the details there. Nice. Only have seats on the driver's seat. This is built solely for racing. Awesome. Yes, it is. That is nice. The Triumph TR6. And now, yes, it is. Let's go for this one. HW Getaways is the new casting of the Barbie Dream Camper. Look at that. And there you go. There's the opening parts there. Awesome. Kasiloose. Barbie Dream Camper. It's a car I want. Barbie Dream Camper. Woo-hoo. And pink with a white interior. There you go, Barbie Dream Camper. Ooh, Barbie Dream Camper. So, metal base, definitely plastic body, and here's the opening parts. There you go. You can see the inside there. Interesting. So since it has no windshield or windscreen. They're gonna use this as the opening part, which was basically it's a table with plates. Look at that. Nice. We have a sink there. There's a, what do you call it, place to cook. This is the place to eat. Yup. No place to sleep. Barbie Dream Camper. Woohoo! In pink. Some of you will like this. Yes, it is. And also another license model, the X34 Landspeeder, Star Wars. Look at that. There's a TIE fighter there. Dang. Star Wars. Sort of like a damage effect also, or is it a rust? Sort of like a barnyard. Fine, look at that. That is beautiful. Let's take a closer look. Nice interior. It's interesting. It has a what is it called? To drive it, the wheels. Here's the wheels at the bottom there. This is metal. The interior, this is metal. No, okay, the body is metal, this is plastic, but this is beautiful. Look at that. It's black, so the engine is only one side, not the other. Yup, nice, awesome. Steering has a steering wheel, sort of. Yep, X34 Landspeeder, which is nice. Look at the details on the back there. This guy doesn't need a headlights or tail lights. Yup. And the last one, most of you are waiting for it. Toyota AE86 printed Truno. Now this is a new casting for the main line. We've seen the premium in the Boulevard Mix D. Now this is the main line version. Is it Truno or Trueno? You guys can comment on that. In a Falcon liveries. So small wheels there. Wow. Yep. Look at that Formula Drift. In the subgroup HW Drift. Look, yes. Can't wait to see the other 4 cars. Let's take a closer look. Really dig the Falcon liveries there. Time, what is it called? Mothers. Interesting. Formula Drift at the here. K&N, Sparco, Falcon tires, all sorts of sponsors in the front there. This is nice. Look at that. Of course, nothing on the tail lights and the headlights, but this is fantastic. What Hot Wheels done for the main line. Yes, it is. Ooh, look at that. Wow. If only it is a super treasure hunt also, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. So there you go. Cars that I think is interesting enough to be kasiloose for case A. Most of you are kinda disappointed on the case A. Yep, too many generics of fantasy cars. But hey, that's Hot Wheels for you. It is what it is. Hopefully the B will be more awesome cars. B. Yep. So which one is your favorite? Awesome. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.